is a follow-up to my previous video about the changing of the EPC solenoid on a 4R70W transmission. I had one YouTuber that was watching my video that could not figure out how to get the EPC solenoid out without removing the valve body. I went back and checked my notes, and I realized that what you have to do, the valve body sits on top here, and there is one clip with a bolt that needs to be removed. This allows you to pull the retaining clip up, and then you remove the nut after pulling the roll pin that's located here. Move the nut, pull the shaft out, then the EPC solenoid comes out. So once again, you'll have to remove this clip to get the EPC solenoid out.